If I don't let him go, I'm just gonna wreck that mother. Look how my damn brakes burned off trying to pass. Piece of shit. Tell Kyle if he'd let me go, he'd learn how to drive this track and not be an idiot. Tell 10-11, he's a lap down. Get off my shit, you little.
And it's a Patrick around. Coleman gets a piece of it. Oh, and others begin to slip and slide.
That dumb. I'm gonna kill her. Ran out of talent again. Unreal. Track is a joke. J-O-K-E. J-O-K. One more time. J. Tell that mother to put that fuel. I left that room 4 damn quarters. Does he have a spotter? Does he have somebody that works for us up there?
Juan used all of his road racing skills to dive down in there and wipe them all out.
Keep on going, keep on going. I don't know why I don't ever do it. I want to do. Damn it. You do that, it's gonna happen. It's stupid. It looks like a bunch of. Stay over here on 2. I don't know what more I can do on that deal. I think you're just mad because we didn't stay out.
I mean, there's some cars. They're hunting. Inside. 39 just wrecked us. He just wrecked us. Wrecked us both. We're wrecked. Haha, those idiots. I find it funny that the 39 gets frustrated when he's having a hard time passing somebody. Loose in, loose off, too damn tight in the middle. Piece of shit.
And line up behind the 10.
Behind the 10?
He'll be behind the 10.
She's on a lead lap. Oh my gosh. All right.
He's so mean to me.
That worked out. Oh, he's a lucky dog.
I think the 18 is.
Of course he is. I would never want anything good to happen to me. JD, for your notes, this air conditioner screwed up. It's like wah, 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 wah.
Copy on the wah, 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 wah.
Scale of 1 to 10 loose, an 11. I just think you want to throw up.
Barkdale wants to know if you brought that horseshoe with you.
Yeah, it's a little heavy. I rubbed on it though.
Fuel and left side, right here. 4. Give me 4. I'm sorry.
No. Dang it.
Go ahead.
Four tires, go, four tires.
Oh, God. Back him up.
Gosh dang it. I think that was about 12 spots.
Nobody was coming. I needed to put 4 on it. Sorry, guys. Think I won't have time to go eat?
Hey, now you're rubbing it in. I like to knock the out of him too. I don't see the point. How many laps down is she? Out of my way. Tell her something. She's stupid.
He's never been a fan, seems like, so fine with me.
Way up on top of the track and loose. It'll be a real good time for one of these entertainment cautions that we get. Damn, this track's dirty. I love how they vacuum it right now. I mean, there ain't been a damn thing on them, now they vacuum. I don't know where this fight came from. I am so psyched. I've never been so disgusted in my whole entire life. This is pathetic. This is just absolutely ridiculous right now. I might as well race my rental car. I just took another 5-hour energy. I did say another. These things are just undrivable. Unbelievable. I let out the gas and this is what happened.
Went from just walking the dog to jacked up, upside down, backwards.
You come around here, make sure you look at our sign saying solar 15, so we're just got to stop on the 5-hour bottle, okay? Dude, what?
So we got to do a pass-through here leaving. We were pissing out of the box because they were still working on the car.
That official is a moron. I'll come back and win this race and flick everyone off. Hey, Nick, I don't know what the hell you mean by something in a glass when you read me a lap time. Just give me plain English, because I don't get it.
It's pretty plain, man. The windshield in front of your face is the glass.
Simple. Crap, feels like I'm on bowling balls. Might be the worst race we have ever run.
Now that's no fun, is What kind of sandwich you get?
You got a beautiful peanut butter and jelly. It's really nice. And some sort of chocolate bar that was really tasty as well.
Somebody go down and tell her how to run traffic here.
How many cars are one now, Brian?
Let you know in 2 seconds. It's in the restroom.
Father. I think I've ever been stuck before. The way that our chase has gone, if there's one team in this garage that could get stuck in a track that's only got about 6 feet of grass, and it would be us. They were pushing me and pushing me till the hood was on the top and everything. Guess something behind me didn't see cars were stacking up.
I may have to pit. I cannot drive it at all. We're going to wreck. Hang on to her, bud. I can't drive it. Feels like it's gonna flip over.
All right, let's quit bickering right here. We gotta hold this 20 off.
I can drive just fine and still bicker.
If you wouldn't have hit me last time, I'd be a little nicer.
Tired of this. Jimmy Johnson charity race.
Roll on through, save gas. There better be some real f***ing problem out there to throw the damn caution. Passing through is the only thing we could do. If we just stopped in our box, we'd been What was the caution for?
Rubber.
F***ing rubber, really? In the middle of the pit cycle.
Stand to correct your boyfriend, man. I mean, I took him out.
Oh boy.
Yeah, lovers quarrel tonight. Be separate quarters for those two.
I guess they got their headlines for this week, huh?
I won't say by Indy, the romance is over.
Hell, that might be on TMZ.
You could call that a love tap. Or real run.
What the I expected this. Go down there and tell granddaughter or whoever. I swear to God, I'm going to wreck him next time if he doesn't let me buy the rest of the race. The rest of the race, I'll wreck him next time.
Woo! Somebody blew up and we almost wrecked.
Why do I suck so bad? I have not caught a car and passed one yet.
Well, have one of them chicken tenders for me. I like them with honey mustard.
Man, he just crossed over and turned your around. There's just no getting around that one right there. Yeah, we don't. This way you tell his when I get to him, I ain't around no more. I've had enough of this His is gonna hit something.
Can't outrun every motherfucker down all the way in the corner like that, or he's gonna get up. If he doesn't quit it, I'll do it.
We're screwed. This will be the worst day ever.
Yeah, record all this.
You just lowered my blood pressure like 20 points.
Let's just see this baby go green. Come on, go green.
I have nightmares about this 30 car tonight. You kidding me? What the are they doing up here?
Why the hell was Mark Martin even out here?
We're the lucky dog.
Did we go a lap down?
Yeah.
Oh.
Inside's been checking up every time on the restart the first lap. I think you learned that last time.
I tried it twice and what is it? Something like once it's my fault, second, I don't know, something, and I don't know. Anyways.
Ask the 99 what his problem is. Somebody needs to explain to that dumb who the he think he is, man. I'm telling you, that pissed me off right there.
Sure don't know why the we didn't take a shot at it. Damn, guys.
I got a question for you. Fail systematically.
I got nothing for that.
Me either.
My job is to hire somebody that can't spell it.
I don't even think he can spell it.
And neither can anybody around my car right now.
With the hotter temperatures today, which I don't know if we're not able to forecast that or what, but we are awful.
The lap I passed somebody, we get a yellow, so now I don't get the fourth position on the restart. You've got to be kidding me. Is this 2013, 2012 again? I think they'll go back to the loop. We should be ahead of them. I don't want to be ahead of them. That's the problem.
What the hell was that?
Somebody needs to tell Danica she can go straight forward. Why don't you get with Quaffle Spotter and just tell him to get his head out of his butt, pay attention, and stop being a My tire's just taking all of a sudden.
I didn't get any help on pit in, so you saw what happened. I about got crashed because I went so fast coming in. You know, you say just pit with people. Well, it's really hard to do that when you're just come out of the corner and slam on the brakes. So I'm sorry I missed pit in, but I about crashed with two cars on the way in. We just need a more organization when it comes to pitting on speedways.
Okay, who am I wrecking?
They better not think we wrecked him because he can't go to the inside and try to shift lanes at the last minute to the outside.
We have no idea what we're doing in the damn race. I have no idea. I don't even know. Seriously, this is bullshit. Pull out a fence in front of me. Guys are freaking
10-4 on the man.
Kyle Busch busted for speeding on pit road.
We're going to start at the tail end of the longest line, speeding. Okay, you can throw away these packs now. I'm tired of it. You ain't going to get any more on me on Pickup Pit Road. Joey Logano himself is flipping me off.
Trevor, either pass those cars or when I catch them, I'm wrecking them.
I want to write that down in my diary. That is the most consecutive laps in a row that the 24 has driven behind me in my life at Martinsville and hasn't dumped me. Write that down. Right next to J-O-K-E.
Man, it's humid up here today.
You better go get you one of those neck rolls. I've seen you push water before. You're going to need both to take. Got a fight or something? What's going on?
Harvick's wanting to beat Denny's ass.
I'm shy. I hope you know how hard I'm trying.
Stop, 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 stop!
collision down here. Boyer's car gets into the side of the car of Travis Quapple.
Take him right from finish. Change left. Change left. Change left. Change left. Damn it, you gotta talk.
Hey, Joel, will you figure out if that guy's gonna pit or what the he's doing? Please.
You want you waving?
No, he's just driving all over the place.
I just have to be consistent. I'm not the fastest car, but as long as I don't screw up, it's not easy for people to catch me.
What the hell is the pin car doing? What a derelict. What's derelict doing? I tried to pit from the second lane. What in the hell?
I wonder why Brian Vickers doesn't have a ride.
Talking to me, we got a pit?
Yeah, we're gonna pit. We're gonna pit.
What?
Yeah, you.
I've got to, I don't understand, pit right now?
Green flag. Got to pit this time. We need that 1 point.
Pit for, so I got a tire going down?
Yes.
See Mears, boy, you're coming with him.
That was stupid. Bars should be closing here in a little bit. You guy won't even be able to make last call.
The 42 that did it, he dive bombed a 9. Here, who did it? I'm just tired of this. Start running every motherfucker over I get to. I've had enough of this crap.
Make sure the right front fender gets pulled out or whatever the is wrong with the right side. I'm pissed. Please just fix this thing, please.
Without cracking loose out here, just frustrated, you know? I'm getting pressure and I can't do much about it.
Don't wait on gas, put 4 tires on it.
10-4. Well, we could have took 4 tires, so you could be 4 seconds behind him instead of in front of him. You can decide which one you'd rather have.
I have a car that didn't suck so bad, what I'd rather have.
Can't wait till you give me new tires and I'm gonna use it down to that 29.
Danica just took Junior out.
Damn, that ain't gonna be a popular move.
I don't know if you guys noticed this, but we just got passed by Blaney, Ruderman, and Stremme. 20 should be penalized for stopping everybody to restart.
Okay, fine, I'll tell you when it's not.
Junior just said that if we block him once, fine. If we block him twice, it's taking us out.
It's not blocking, it's picking up your lane. Don't tell me he doesn't do that.
P6. Thanks a lot, 11. Now we're even.
Somebody tell the 10 if she doesn't quit with me, I'm going to wreck her. She's a lap down. I don't need that.
Looks like he's driving. About to spun out in the trail.
We're gonna pit when you can. We're gonna pit when you can. They're lined up right here.
We went from the front row to dead last, 10 laps. So much to go slap that guy driving the 32. I don't know who it is. You need to take it behind the wall and fix it. You're up a rope.
I'm not going to work on it anymore. I'm just going to put tires on the thing. The more I work on it, the worse she gets. I don't know if I'd do that. I can't keep working on it.
First thing we got to do is get away from this lunatic behind us.
Jeff's not even getting in his car yet, just so you know. Just now pulling his pants up to get in.
And I am wound up like an 8-day clock. I don't know what the hell was in my breakfast this morning. I mean, I really want to dump this guy, but it just ain't worth it.
He's like a kidney stone, hard to pass. Must be nice.
What happened? Blew the up.
Wally said he would give me some deer meat if I brought this thing home without scratching it.
Reckon. Go straight.
Kurt Busch is barrel rolling end over end. About 10 cars crashed and collide at the end of the back straightaway.
Saw that whole thing in my mirror. That was unbelievable.
He never lifted. He was on the roof of the 39, smoking the tires on the roof. Right on.
Shaking bait. Man, I just sneezed in my helmet. Couldn't get the lid up.
Now pour a blue moon. Let's do a blue moon.
You want something to drink? Crown and Coke?
Get in front of there. Come on, high, come quick, though. Spin up. Come on, clear. Ooh, easy. Lock it down. I got to stop. Somebody just KO'd me from behind.
People don't look. I got a tire going down. Damn it!
Tremmy's still just as dumb as he's always been.
Need help with these guys. Get them out of the way. Get them down.
If I was any of the other 300 cars, I'd be mad as hell because they definitely don't have what he's got.
Nobody told me to want to go. I don't even know why I drive.
Go back to the right rear and tighten the lug nut. Tighten the lug nut! We're going to be fine. NASCAR kind of us on that deal there.
I gotta put me on a hoodie. I'll be back, man. Alright, I'm back.
About time. Think you dookie too or something?
That's insane, dude. Yeah, simple. He's been like that all day. Sorry we didn't do anything to make anything any better all night. Not a thing. I'll keep
We need to get them together. How about just drive the damn thing? We come in 4th, and we come out 11th. How about that?
stay to the bottom. Come on. Stay right there. Yes it. Come on. Ooh, doggy. That was close. I'm okay. Now I answer everybody if I've ever been on my win. Mother.
Thanks for keeping your cool. I sure felt it. That was a cluster.
Boy, I don't think I've ever bed this bad. I'm done now. Come on, get the fenders off the tires. Come on, get the tires on it. Come on, let's get around the left. Make sure we got no tires rubbing. Come on, let's go. Get around here. We'll smack a spotter in the back of the head.
Jimmy Johnson has got by Brad Keselowski.
Just have to wonder, you know, if you ever feel bad about having a car that much better than everybody else every week.
Found a hell of a handbag out here.
Is your arm starting to hurt? I bet it's hot in there, itching. Oh, yeah. Right with you, 88. Right with you. Right with you. Right with you.
I am sideways.
No rear grip on exit, 0.
I just don't know how Trevor has not wrecked yet.
It's definitely way sicker than it was yesterday. Obviously, I spun on. Damn.
It ain't over yet. It ain't over yet. 18 to the 5 cars that. I'm all right, and I caused it.
It better pay big.
It's not the spotter, it's the whole committee.
Committee knows what I've been asking for.
We got the big dogs wigging and all of his cronies.
Nice, we didn't have an oil slick off turn 2. Hello? You think you knocked the toe out, bud? It's all body damage, but it's all
Can retire as well? Yeah, pretty much like Russian roulette. It's too bad we told him that 2 weeks ago, and it comes down to that.
Bullshit restart he made. The 48 pass through restart violation.
I was off the gas, NASCAR. Please look. I checked up to give him the spot back, but he blew it so bad.
We now return you to your previously scheduled program.